Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Today I'm gonna show you how to do 8 ab workout with the ab roller. I have it right over here. So I'm gonna show you how to execute some of the moves in order for your ab workout to be efficient. Okay, so whenever you're ready, okay, 1, 2, and we're gonna start right about now. Hey, what's going on, guys? With the ab roller, we're gonna work some muscles, which are the upper abs, the lower abs, and the oblique on the left side and the right side. So it's really easy. It's an exercise that is gonna take some time for you to master. You know, it's simple. Just need a yoga mat, a pillow, so you can lay your knees to rest while you're doing the exercise, and at the same time you just need balance and to be precise. Okay, you don't need anything else other than that. Okay, if you don't know how or never have done this exercise, within the next couple of days your back is gonna be a little bit sore. You can do a simple routine and just do 10 reps maximum if you're not ready, and then when you get the hang of it, you can start incrementing the sections or the repetitions. I do at least maybe 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. So if that works for you, you can follow the same pattern. Otherwise, you can create your own pattern however you feel comfortable. The first thing you're gonna need is a yoga mat. You're just gonna toss it out on the floor. Then second of all, you're gonna need a pillow so you can place your knees comfortable. And if you can hold your feet onto something, you can hold on your feet to the couch. Okay, so this is how we're gonna execute the move. We're gonna go one to the left and one to the right. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like the exercise or you have your ab roller at home, you know, show me how you use it, or you know, leave your comments down below, you know, which is the best exercise for the ab roller. You know, if it works for you or it has worked for you in the past, or you doing other types of exercises to combine it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful, and make sure you subscribe and leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching.